Hey Capital Family, it's Rebecca. Tonight we are doing red curry fish. It's a coconut-based curry, very light and delicious. So I don't have a lot of vegetables, so I'm using onion and sweet pepper. You can also add stuff like broccoli or zucchini if you like, or whatever vegetables you have on hand, carrot, anything like that will work. You need your fish, which I seasoned with this local seasonings from Nature's Oils. Has a lot of good stuff in it. I also put some grated ginger in here, some salt, and some olive oil. You're gonna need a red curry paste. This one I got from Singapore. It's in Lime Grove, and they're actually open right now. Well, not right now, but you know what I mean. During the week at Lime Grove, so you can give them a call, and they have this. And I think it's only like $4. And then you're gonna need coconut milk to finish it off. So once you got all your ingredients together and your fish seasoned, that is step one. All right, the next step is to get some oil in your pan. I'm using olive oil. Get it nice and hot, because what you're really gonna do is just be searing this fish, not cooking it all the way through. To one, get some color, two, lock in the flavor, and then we're gonna finish it in the coconut milk red curry sauce after. So we don't wanna cook it all the way through. If not, it's gonna be too dry. So our fish is going. We're gonna flip it in about a minute. Remember, just to get a little bit of color. And as soon as we get all the fish done, then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so the fish has been brown. We have some extra seasoning there, which we're gonna throw in with these vegetables. We're just gonna saute these for a little bit, and then we're gonna add this and the curry paste. Okay, I added about half the can of red curry paste. I also added the little bits of seasoning left back from the fish. All of that is good flavor. And I'm letting it saute just for a few minutes. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the coconut milk. If you have the box, probably about 3/4 of the box. If you have cans, about 2 cans. And again, you can add a bit more if you want it less strong. And you can add a bit more paste if you want it to be a little more potent. And it is spicy, so be forewarned. But the more coconut milk you add, the milder it becomes. So we're just going to let this simmer for a few minutes, let all the flavors get in there, and then we're gonna rest the fish into it and let it simmer for just about 5 minutes. And that's basically all she wrote. So okay, we've just placed our fish inside. I actually added a little more paste for my taste and a bit more coconut milk, and then you're just gonna leave it in here and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and that's it. Thai red coconut fish curry.